Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Pet Fisner. How you doing, guys? Hello. So, we've got a few announcements. First foremost, we are nearly there with Inte.Team membership. That will be launched, well, hopefully as soon as possible, like a month or two. But we've got QA checking code, and we've got a new guy, Kamil, which has started apprenticeship, and his goal is just to check the quality of the code, security of the code, the quality of the code. So he's working with our senior Laravel developer together with Thomas, and they are making sure that the app is secure. He will try to hack the app as well. So that's a good, nice time, because if he won't be able to hack it for an extended period of time and he will test all the things, then that means we're ready to launch. QA is checking the features and lags and some missing things, yes, so Jacob is checking that one as well, and we're nearly there. So yes, thank you Jacob and Kamil to doing a good job, not only our web dev team this time. So I'm thrilled that we've got a new member. And what else? And we've got a new phone line number actually, and I can say we want to start to use it, because why not, you know. Using my mobile is not always a good solution, so I'll check the mobile as well here. I'll tell you the mobile. So it's 01506 number, and then 352247. That's the mobile for repairs. So I've got it on my phone, I've got it on my computer. I'm on the holiday since the 11th to the 18th, so I will leave this number as well here when I will be on the holiday, so that my wife or someone else can help. And that's everything in this announcement, guys. Okay, one more thing actually. At Book Repair Online, we've got now added invoicing system. It's done on the services side while we speak. Lucas is doing it. And then we've got add shop as well. So each repair shop which is with us can have products and can list them over there. And as I bought the electronicsrepairshop.co.uk domain name, now each of the repair shops will be able to have the domain name and the link to the booking URL and to the shop. So that's all in one solution for all the repair shops which are working with us, and for the apprentices when they will start to do cooperation with us, yes. So now we will be going to a legal stuff, like we've got NDAs already signed with some of the people. Now we need to sign more NDAs with those new ones which just learned and they are practicing as well. And we are on the good way, guys. Probably, maybe not this year. Next year will be time to open an LTD. So LTD with repairs will be separated from Inte.Team, yes, so that will be two businesses, separated businesses, and Inte.Team will have this membership thing, and we're going only for 100 members at the moment. We've got over 50 people, maybe closer to 100 now, who knows, because I haven't checked that for a long time. And yes, I will be going through the customers to register first 100 members. And yes, exciting time, guys, exciting times to be true. So that's it, that's everything from the announcements, and see you after the holiday. Bye bye.